Now let us solve one numerical on square threads. The nominal diameter of a triple threaded square screw is 50 mm, while the pitch is 8 mm. It is used with collar having an outer diameter 100 mm and inner diameter as 65 mm. The coefficient of friction at the thread surface as well as at the collar surface can be taken as 0.15. The screw is used to raise a load of 15 kilonewton. Using uniform wear theory for collar friction, calculate torque required to raise the load, torque required to lower the load. Now let us one by one see what is given. Nominal diameter 50 mm, so D is 50 mm. Triple threaded square screw, so NT, number of starts is 3. Pitch is 8 mm, so small p is 8 mm. DO, outer diameter of collar is 100 mm, so RO will be 50 mm. DI, inner diameter of collar is 65 mm. Coefficient of friction at the thread surface and collar, that is mu and mu c, that is 0.15. Load W is 15 kilonewton, so 15 into 10 raised to 3 newton. It is said that you have to use uniform wear theory and we have to calculate the three things. Let us start. D is 50 mm, nominal diameter, pitch is 8 mm, number of starts 3, coefficient of collar friction is 0.15 and coefficient of thread friction is also 0.15. DO is 100, so RO will be 50, DI is 65, so RI will be 32.5. Mu C, like I said, coefficient of collar friction is also 0.15. So first we are going to calculate the torque required to raise the load. Now lead is NT into P, number of starts into pitch, so that will be 3 8s are 24. Mean diameter DM will be D minus 0.5 P. D is nominal diameter, which is 50 mm, minus 0.5 into 8 mm, that is the pitch, so we'll get 46 mm. Now tan alpha or tan lambda, that is our helix angle, if we put the value of lead and nominal diameter, we will get it as 9.429 degree. Same way we can find out friction angle. Mu is tan phi or phi is tan inverse of mu. So tan inverse of 0.15 will be 8.531. Torque required to raise the load formula is WDM by 2 tan phi plus alpha. So if we put the values of WDM, phi and alpha, we get the value as 11831.06 Newton mm. Same way if I use collar friction theory for uniform wear theory, then mu C W RO RI formulas, if I place it, I'll get 92812.5 Newton mm. So if I add it, I'll get total torque required to raise the load. That is torque required to raise the load plus collar friction torque. I'll get it as 204,643.56 Newton mm. Next, I want to calculate the torque required to lower the load. WDM by 2 tan phi minus alpha. If I put the values, I'll get minus 5407.63 Newton mm. We have already calculated collar friction torque previously. So if I'll calculate total torque required to raise the load, then torque required to raise the load plus collar friction torque, that is minus 5407.63 plus 92812.5. So I'll get the value as 87404.87 Newton into mm.